Welcome to Easy Garage Door Repair's YouTube channel. If you're looking to elevate your home's curb appeal and functionality, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 7 garage entry door ideas that can transform your home, each with its own set of pros and cons. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about classic wooden doors. Wooden garage doors exude timeless charm and add warmth to any home. They come in various styles, from traditional carriage house designs to modern sleek panels. Here are some pros and cons. Next, let's look at contemporary steel doors. For a modern look, steel garage doors are an excellent choice. They offer incredible durability and security. Now, let's explore glass panel doors. Glass panel garage doors bring a touch of contemporary elegance and make your garage space feel more open and airy. How about adding a rustic charm with barn doors? Barn-style garage doors add a unique, rustic appeal perfect for country-style homes. Consider fiberglass doors for a versatile and low-maintenance option. Fiberglass doors can mimic the appearance of wood without the high maintenance. For enhanced energy efficiency, check out insulated doors. Insulated garage doors are perfect for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and noise. Finally, let's talk about custom carriage house doors. Carriage house doors combine old-world charm with modern technology. When selecting the right garage entry door, consider factors like architectural style, material and maintenance, insulation and energy efficiency, budget, and security. At Easy Garage Door Repair, we're here to help you make an informed decision. Contact us today for professional installation and maintenance services. Your perfect garage door is just a call away.